Hello everyone, my name is Sheguri Madhavi. I completed my graduation in Aurora degree and PG college in the specialization of B.S.C Computer Science. And after that, I currently searching for a job. Through Naukri, I came to know about Evision. I joined in the Evision as a IT internship. In this IT internship, I learned basic networking, CCNA, and with window administration, visualization, and troubleshootings. And it helps me a lot as I am new to networking. I learned many things in this internship. Now I got placed in VentureSoft system as service desk engineering, and I am very great, and I am very thankful to each and every ma'am and sir who helped me in this process. Thank you so much.